Article 513 of the National Electrical Code focuses on low-voltage systems, typically for mobile homes and recreational vehicles. Aircraft 400 Hz power systems are covered for several reasons. Firstly, unique characteristics. Aircraft 400 Hz power systems have distinct requirements unlike Article 513 systems. These include high-frequency generators, specialized distribution, and specific load needs. Secondly, limited scope of Article 513. Article 513 guides low-voltage electrical systems in mobile housing units and does not cover specialized systems in aircraft or industrial facilities. Thirdly, separate regulations. Aircraft electrical systems follow aviation industry standards like RTCA Dew Point 160 and MIL Standard 704. These address specific requirements and safety for aircraft electrical systems. To address circulating currents and ground loops, industry best practices offer solutions. Firstly, proper system design is key. Electrical engineers and aviation professionals should design and install aircraft 400 Hz power systems to minimize these issues. This involves isolation transformers, proper grounding, and avoiding parallel paths. Secondly, coordination with aircraft manufacturers. Manufacturers provide guidelines for installation and maintenance. Following these ensures proper operation and minimizes hazards. Thirdly, maintenance and testing are essential. Regular checks detect and correct potential problems like circulating currents and ground loops. This includes checking insulation resistance, ground continuity, and performing load tests. In conclusion, while Article 513 of the NEC doesn't address aircraft 400 Hz power systems directly, industry standards and practices ensure their safe operation. Collaboration between engineers, aviation professionals, and manufacturers is crucial for design, installation, and maintenance, considering potential circulating currents and ground loops.